How long do Dyson vacuums last? Dyson is a well-known brand in the vacuum cleaner industry, known for its innovative designs and powerful suction capabilities. When investing in a vacuum cleaner, it's important to consider its lifespan to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. In this article, we will explore the longevity of Dyson vacuums, common troubleshooting examples, replacement parts, and the importance of authorized service. The lifespan of Dyson vacuums. Dyson vacuums are built to last, thanks to their high-quality construction and durable materials. On average, a Dyson vacuum can last between 7 to 10 years with proper care and maintenance. However, this lifespan can vary depending on several factors. Frequency of use. The more frequently you use your Dyson vacuum, the more wear and tear it will experience. If you have a large household or pets that shed a lot, you may need to replace certain parts more often. Maintenance. Regular maintenance is crucial to prolonging the lifespan of your Dyson vacuum. This includes cleaning the filters, emptying the dustbin, and checking for any blockages in the brush bar or hose. Model. Different Dyson models have varying lifespans. Higher-end models often come with more advanced features and sturdier components, which can contribute to a longer lifespan. It's important to note that while Dyson vacuums are designed to last, they are not immune to occasional issues or breakdowns. Let's explore some common troubleshooting examples and their solutions. Troubleshooting examples and solutions. 1. Loss of suction. If you notice a decrease in suction power, it could be due to a clogged filter or blockage in the brush bar or hose. To resolve this, clean or replace the filters and check for any obstructions in the brush bar or hose. 2. Brush bar not spinning. If the brush bar is not spinning, it may be due to tangled hair or debris. Turn off the vacuum, remove the brush bar, and clean it thoroughly. Once cleaned, reattach the brush bar and test if it spins properly. 3. Unusual noises. If your Dyson vacuum is making unusual noises, it could indicate a problem with the motor or other internal components. In such cases, it is recommended to contact the Authorized Service Center for further assistance. Replacement parts for Dyson vacuums. Over time, certain parts of your Dyson vacuum may wear out and need replacement. Dyson offers a wide range of spare parts that are easily accessible through their official website or authorized retailers. Some common replacement parts include filters, brush bars, hoses, batteries, dustbins. It is important to purchase genuine Dyson replacement parts to ensure compatibility and maintain the performance of your vacuum cleaner. The importance of authorized service. While some minor issues can be resolved through troubleshooting, there may be instances where professional assistance is required. Dyson has authorized service centers located in many provinces of America, making it convenient for users to seek expert help when needed. If you encounter a major problem with your Dyson vacuum or require repairs, it is recommended to call the Authorized Service Center specified on the company's official website. They can provide guidance, arrange repairs, or direct you to the nearest service center. Conclusion. Dyson vacuums are known for their durability and can last between 7 to 10 years with proper care and maintenance. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning filters and checking for blockages, is essential to prolonging their lifespan. In case of troubleshooting, Dyson provides solutions for common issues, and genuine replacement parts are readily available. For major problems or repairs, contacting the Authorized Service Center is recommended. Overall, Dyson vacuums are a reliable investment for households in America, providing efficient cleaning and customer satisfaction.